Why do we have different personalities? Why can our behaviors change? It's because of our brain chemistry. Your brain is the organ that can guide you or totally destroy you. One of the most important biochemicals of the brain are neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters cross synaptic gaps, bind to a receptor of receiving neuron, and influence whether or not neuron will give an impulse. There are two types of neurotransmitters, excitatory neurotransmitters and inhibitory neurotransmitters. Excitatory neurotransmitters get their target cells all fired up with neurons, like dopamine and acetylcholine. Inhibitory neurotransmitters, which keep their target cells calm and mellow, like serotonin and GABA. Generally, there are more than 100 neurotransmitters, but we will discuss only 4. Let's start with the most important, dopamine. Once we mention dopamine, we need to mention the limbic system. It's the brain's reward circuit that releases dopamine. It makes us repeat behaviors like eating, having fun, or risky behaviors like drugs, which signals the brain to release an unusual amount of dopamine. Limbic system, the hippocampus lays down memories of this rapid sense of satisfaction, and the amygdala creates a conditioned response to certain stimuli. So, what's the deal with drugs? When a person becomes addicted, the brain receptors become overwhelmed, and the brain responds by releasing or eliminating dopamine receptors. Now, the pleasure subsides, yet the memory of the desired effect persists. GABA. GABA helps in maintaining brain rhythm, which can be identified by EEG or electrocephalogram. Acetylcholine regulates the rate at which we process sensory input and access stored information. A healthy high acetylcholine brain is fast-moving, quick-thinking, and moist, so that the information can pass easily from the brain to the body. So you might be thinking, can I increase the release of these neurotransmitters? Yes, but oversupply or undersupply of these neurotransmitters is dangerous. For example, if there's an oversupply of dopamine, you might be schizophrenic. If there's an undersupply of acetylcholine, you might have Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, serotonin plays an important role in mood, hunger, and sleep. These brain chemicals control your personality. So, if you're thinking that you're a procrastinator, you might actually have an unbalanced brain chemical.